Hello, my name is Tom Burns, and we're doing a 15-minute landing page audit where I go through and I click on a random ad in my Instagram feed, and I give some constructive feedback in real time and make some notes on the landing page. Okay, so this is a company that does social media management. It's a platform, I think, for managing your social media stuff. So, restore balance, get results. Grow your brand without growing your schedule. Blank helps you get more done faster. I don't like this headline. It's vague. Restore balance. Nobody's gonna be saying that. Man, I wish with my social media I could restore balance. I'm not sure what that means. Saying get results, that's just so overdone. And vague. That's just, again, restore balance. Not sure what that means. Not colloquial. Let's see if I can spell colloquial correctly. Grow your brand without growing your schedule. Blank helps you get more done faster. Okay, I like that, but we still haven't been made aware of what this service is. So I like the idea of not having to grow my schedule. That's cool. Start your free trial to what? I don't even know what I'm starting with yet. This graphic doesn't really mean much to me. Save time managing, there we go, finally, okay. Save time, you know what though? Save time managing social media with 30 days free of this service. It's still not telling me how it works. So it's kind of telling me the result, saving time, like that's what it's focusing on, but how? What does this actually do? How do you save time? If I'm not aware of what social media management platforms do, I probably would have clicked away by now. See how blank makes managing social easy. Okay, that's decent. One place for everything. Drive results. Build relationships. I mean, again, kind of vague. I want to see some numbers here. Build relationships. With who? Your followers? One place for everything. I like that. Manage all your social networks. Schedule content in advance. Keep your brand active from one place. Okay, I like that. Drive results. Track the performance of your content and campaigns that uncover insights that help you get better business results with just a few clicks. Track the performance. I guess they kind of have to be a little bit vague here just because different companies are going to have different, they're going to be tracking different things and they're going to be considered results, or their results are going to be considered something different each time. Okay, build relationships. Monitor and join in on conversations about your brand in real time, solve customer problems, and build the relationships that drive sales. I might come back to that. Nothing's standing out to me about it right now. Select your plan to get started now. So we are jumping straight in. This is like a very short landing page, and it's already asking me to pay money, and it hasn't told me anything about how this works. A video placed right beneath, like a video would be good right here. Video demo. So far, the results it's been promising are very high level, and it's not showing me how that's done. Base features plus. Wait a minute. Where are the base features? Maybe these. Maybe the stuff up here. Oops. Are the base features? Are these? I don't know, that's not clear to me. This should say base features, if that's what that is. So I'm gonna say that's a fail. Join the 18+ million customers that use blank to save time managing social and grow their brand. Okay, I mean, that's okay. I'm not like jumping for joy. I like the 18 million number. That's good. That's a lot. Save time, but they're really hammering down this idea of saving time, which that's fine. Like, that's something that all business owners are lacking in. But they haven't given me a whole lot of information about how. So they still have not answered the question. I mean, vaguely they did, vaguely here. See how blank makes managing social easy. I would add on to this and saves time. But I want to see some numbers, honestly. Like, and I know that's hard to do, but come up with something creative. You know, cut your social media time in half. You know, things like that. I'm kind of surprised at this. Start your free trial. Okay, this impresses me right here. Sony Music. Never heard of these other places. I've heard of WWF. Marketo. I'm a little disappointed. I still don't understand how restore balance has anything, this whole metaphor of balance was not really well carried through the rest of the landing page. They're talking a lot about saving time, but nowhere does this come up in the rest of the sales page. Get results. Again, that's just kind of vague. I would say a way that they could improve this, because they're focusing so much on saving time, is that's what this should be about here. I would say this needs to be about saving time and easy social media. That's what I think it should be about. They also didn't really call out to specific customers. They say like brand, your brand. That's the most specific they get, which I don't know. So I think they could do a whole lot better with this web page, with this landing page. And there's these start your free trial buttons all over the place, which that's good, like having it all over. But I still am not like, I'm gonna be using this system obviously, so I wanna see what this looks like in action. Which I guess like I can do that while I start the free trial, but you haven't really made me excited about the platform itself, showing me how easy it is and comparing that to how difficult and time consuming it is to manage all your separate social media platforms. If you made a video that demonstrated how long and complicated it was to post things to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even Pinterest, and then compared that to the time you save and the ease of using this product, like that would be the selling point for me to at least jump in and try the free demo. So, well, that's it for that one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.